As part of your iSearch assignment, you've been tasked with finding an article published within the last 2 years written by someone in your chosen field. This video will give you some tips to help you find an article. Do you remember when we looked at the Occupational Outlook Handbook from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics? If not, go ahead and watch the OOH tutorial video now. The handbook includes lots of information about every occupation, and you'll recall that the More Info tab included links to related professional organizations. These organizations often publish journals dedicated to their field, which are a great place to start when you're looking for an article. You can also find many professional journals in the NVCC Libraries collection. Let's take a look at some of your options. We'll start with resources from the Occupational Outlook Handbook. For this example, I'm going to look for articles written by people in the field of computer programming. Typing computer programmer in the search box brings up 528 results. The first one is exactly what I'm looking for. I'm going to go right to the More Info tab, where I see a few contacts for additional information. These are professional organizations for people in the field of computer programming. I'm going to choose the IEEE Computer Society and see what I can find there. The BLS website gives me a notice that I'm leaving the US government's web presence, and I just have to click the link to continue. Here I have the IEEE Computer Society's homepage. Conveniently enough, there is a list of popular articles right on the homepage. While that's definitely worth exploring, let's take a look at what else the site has to offer us. I'm going to click on Digital Library, which opens in a new tab. The main page displays the most recent articles, so we can certainly look through those and see if anything would be of interest. But I want to see if there are any articles that are specifically about the career. I'm going to search using the keywords career computer programmer. This first search gives me more than 210,000 results. Now we'll narrow down our results to only articles from the last 2 years using the slider. Excellent. Now we're down to about 25,000 results. That's still a lot to sift through. There's one more filter we want to apply. At the bottom of the page, let's choose Open Access to make sure we'll actually be able to read the article that we choose. This brings our results down to a much more manageable 281. Let's begin. I like to display more results per page, but you can change that to suit your personal preference. One result jumps out at me immediately: educating next-gen computer scientists. You can click on the green abstract button to view a brief summary of the article. Let's take a look. This 2018 article from Computer Magazine features 6 panelists, all educators and researchers in the field, discussing whether current computer science curricula are adequately preparing students for the realities of the profession, or if the programs need to be refreshed. This is a great place to start when we're trying to learn about the current realities of programming. This is just one example of an article that can be found through a professional organization's database. Of course, different organizations will have different levels of access, and some may not be as easy to search. In the next video, we'll learn how to use the NVCC library to find more resources for your iSearch paper.